everybody. A turtle. He's a special kind of turtle. He's a yellow-footed tortoise, and he was born right here at the National Aquarium.
Okay, so Hannah, you just had an amazing animal encounter presentation. Tell us a little bit about what these animal encounter presentations are all about.
So we've found that guests really benefit from being able to connect with an animal that isn't behind a wall of glass. So when they're able to get down on the level as an animal ambassador like Joey, it actually builds empathy. So it makes them say, oh, I actually know a tortoise. I have a tortoise in my life, my good friend Joey. I care about that tortoise. We need to make sure that we protect other species just like him.
Another thing that was really cool to see were there are a lot of students out here, but there were some chaperones and adults as well. So how do you make these encounters insightful for children as well as adults?
Yeah. So we're big believers in interpreting to adults and interpreting to children are two completely different things. You're using different language when you talk to kids. I'm doing things like, hey guys, get down on the level with the animal. So we want this to be as entertaining and educational to the people that are coming in with the kids as we are to the kids.
Yeah, as the one that's literally sharing all of this information, what's kind of the best part for you?
Wow, thank you for that question. I think the best part is when you work with an animal and they're cooperating with you, because frankly, sometimes they don't. We actually ask our animal ambassadors to come out and participate in these encounters. That's why it's a mystery animal. Even we don't know 5 minutes before what animal it might be. The way that we ask Joey to come out is we open the door and we say, Joey, you want to come outside? So he has the choice. We do a lot of what's called choice and control. We make sure that they have as much control over their situation, and we just help them out.
I love that. You know, just ask a diva if you want to come out and chill or not.
Ask a diva if you want to come out and chill. And that's, we're big believers of that. And at the end of the day, they're animals. We say that working with live animals is not for the faint-hearted. For example, Joey pees. And sometimes at the end of the day, you're like, well, did I do my script perfectly? Maybe not, but Joey didn't pee.
You have to take the small wins and walk away with grace.
Every day the crate is dry is a good day.
We know that we had the best day ever.
And I've always said that.
So Hannah, thank you so much for showing us what it's like to work with animal ambassadors, and thank you for joining us on this field trip. And remember, never stop learning.
Field Trip on WJZ at 9 is sponsored by Wawa. Gotta have a Wawa.